My name is Andrew Menneto. I am the owner here at Slab Supply in Montclair, and I'm not your average woodworker. We take 200-year-old trees and double their lifespan as bespoke furniture. Bespoke furniture is basically made to order. We can custom saw and create anything. Not just live edge slabs, we do cabinetry, we do headboards to bed, we do hardwood flooring. My passion is salvaging these logs and turning them into different design aspects that people normally wouldn't think of. What's important to know about rescuing urban timber is that we do not cut or remove anything ourselves. We work with tree services while the wood is coming down. We will then haul that back to our sawmill, and we will let the wood season for a few weeks before milling it. Customers contact me when they're removing trees and they want to see the wood go to a good use, so we can incorporate that into furniture that lasts a lifetime. We're a small operation of close group of friends, less than 10 guys, and I think that's why we're very successful. The first thing I ever built was actually those little pine box derby cars in Boy Scouts. I've come a long way from pine cars to pine slabs. My favorite part of making a piece of furniture is seeing the transformation from log to lumber. All right, so we're just making our last adjustments here on our lag bolts. I think the hardest part of my job would be translating what my customer has in their mind into real life. And also, with that being the hardest, I think it's the most rewarding when you do achieve that. There's almost no limit to what you can do with wood.